set up for the 45.
I'll see if I can do one. There's a better way to do it. There's a lot of ways to do it, but there's one way that's better than most. That they like a little better.
What's the landing name? Well, the kind of like.
Oh, the forward slip. Is that what she's talking about?
I think so.
Oh, okay, that's different. We'll do that. I'll do that. I thought you were talking about how to do a short field landing. That's called a forward slip to land. So here, my airplane for a second.
Your airplane.
We'll keep it high for a minute.
Wait. Like I heard like they use the opposite rudder and opposite stick. Like.
Yeah, it's pretty backwards. So you gotta do it carefully. Yep. So basically, what it is, it's saying, all right. So we're coming. Okay. So basically, they're saying, okay, you come in really high. How can you get down without having to go around, right? So here's what you do. You come in and you fly and you're like, oh man, look, we're way high, right? So what we can do is we can pull the power all the way back, make sure we have full flaps, introduce the right rudder. If we just do just right rudder, we'll just keep going that way, right? So we add a little bit of aileron in there.
Okay.
To keep us lined up. And what this does is it kills all of our lift, so we sink a lot faster. Okay. So just make sure you keep your airspeed up, right?
Yeah.
So I need a little more aileron, because we're drifting away, right?
So the rudder makes drag.
Look, trap down star 118 Golf Mike is 3 miles to the west of the airfield.
And once we catch the glide slope,
8,000 on the Orny 1.
then we can go back to normal.
Oh, okay. Gosh.
And then it's a normal landing after that.
So the rudder makes more drag, and you coordinate that with aileron.
Exactly. Pretty good way to say it. So you're moving forward and you're slipping.
Okay.
Forward slip.
Forward slip.
Yep. Let's try it again.
Okay.
I'll have you do one this time.
The rudder makes drag, and then coordinate with other direction with aileron.
Yep.
Gotcha. Also can use like using left rudder and then right aileron.
So if you do, so yeah, you can do it either way. It doesn't matter. Just you got to be opposite.
Is it off to like wind direction or?
Not so much. So imagine, you know how to land in a crosswind landing, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's the exact same thing.
The overflying the airfield at 7,000 to look at the winds off.
All right now.
So go ahead and just keep it up for just a second.
Keep it up.
Yeah. Alright, you're probably okay now.
Local traffic 8, turning left crossway from the 35.
Let's go.
This is a good challenge. I like this. Thanks for giving it to me. Alright, so we're high. Ah, dang. Well, we can go around, or we can just throw it into a slip and just fix it, right? So we already got a little bit of a crosswind, so this actually works out perfect. So, I'm just gonna go, we got full flaps, gonna pull the power all the way out. Heartbeat's gonna go cold. I'm gonna go full right rudder. I'm gonna just turn the aileron just enough to keep me on my track.
Turning left crosswind, headed southwest.
How fast we start falling.
Like 1,000 descent.
And then coming up on the glide slope here, as soon as the glide slope gets back, I'm just gonna fix it.
Yes, back.
There it is. I'm gonna add some power in because I'm gonna land short otherwise. I almost if I can land on those points. You kind of hold it, power's all the way out, let it sit, and just like that. I did it. Awesome. Alright. I'll get us off the ground, then you can take over. 59 knots and rotate. Alright, dude, you got the airplane.
I have it.
Alright, your airplane.